let's solve some of the questions from tribal studies. Now these content has been prepared by our NET qualified faculty, and the detailed solutions for all the questions are available on Doorstep Tutor. Here are just few of the questions for your sample. So to begin with, the very first question from the 2023 paper talks about what is the basis for the race. Now the correct answer here is blood as the correct answer. So the physical characteristic that a person shares, like skin, color, features, height, hair, are being governed by race. The next is, which of the following is not the racial classification given by Kroeber? So Kroeber gave the racial classification based on three things, that is skin, hair and facial features, and the classification talked about Caucasoids, Mongoloids and Negroids. So Malaysian is not the part of the racial classification given by Kroeber. The next is, which of the following animal is not analogous to man? Now this is a direct question that you can answer. So monkey, gibbon and gorilla are the evolutionary change of apes. However, bear is a different animal. So here we have bear as the correct answer. The next is, which of the following is the characteristic of religion? Now religion is one which relates to prayer, worship and adoration, and that's what is a set of beliefs and practices to actually attain spirituality, is what is mentioned. So there are certain moral grounds, community based on which these characteristics are identified, and this is the right option here. The next is, which of the following is not a kind of totem? So matrilineal means lineal means from the mother's side, patrilineal means from the father's side, collective means of a group, but there is no such thing like individual totem. Totems are actually natural objects, and they are considered sacred because of some reasons. Now this could be from the mother's side, from the father's side, or just because your community or your group or your clan believes it is really important, right? So if you want to practice more questions on tribal studies, you can go on to Doorstep Tutor, scroll down and move on to tribal studies. All of these are arranged in the alphabetical order, the subjects. So you can just reach your subject here and check out the complete explanations for the tribal study questions for past papers. Now this would help you give niche and background to help prepare well, because if you have been working with past year questions, you definitely have an upper edge while you are attempting your paper. And for your last minute, this is some of the best things that you can try. Thanks for joining in.